In this third video of the series, we'll explain how an enterprise is actually a chain of interconnected relationships, and we'll see how each aspect of an enterprise needs to be able to be fluid in order for the enterprise to be able to evolve quickly, and in order for the enterprise to be able to thrive based on the way that it's evolving. Relationships are defined by touch points. So here we start with an external customer and your organization. The relationship can further be broken down into a collection of processes, and here we'll look at one of them. And each process that is part of the customer relationship is existing within the context of other aspects of the customer's existence. Each process is composed of a series of steps, and each of these steps reaches into your organization through a particular touch point. So you see you've got many different touch points in your organization. We'll see there are also internal customers in addition to external customers. And internal customers have their own processes with their own steps and their own touch points. All of these touch points together reach back to how you manage people, systems, and processes. And the Agile Cloud Manager makes it a lot easier for an enterprise to do faster upgrades throughout the chain of relationships that span your entire enterprise and that define your entire enterprise. Let's look at this another way. Let's start again with the external customer and how the external customer relates with your organization through the external customer's process that exists in some context of the customer's existence, each step interacting with a particular touch point that relates to how you manage workflows. Workflows are composed of people, systems, and processes. You've also got internal customers that have their own processes with their own steps and their own touch points. And now, if we're flipping this around, we want to see how we manage workflows. Well, workflows run processes and data through different collections of systems in your enterprise. And the systems might be composed of apps. You might have many apps, each grouped into a system, and the systems might be grouped together into these buckets. You might have a marketing bucket, a collection of marketing apps and systems. You might have a sales bucket, which is a collection of sales apps and systems. You might have service bucket, that's all of the different apps and systems that are related to your service function in your enterprise. And you've got web and mobile sites that together also have collections of apps and systems that are composed of the apps that together work to be your web and mobile sites. You have operations, which is the back-end fulfillment of value for an enterprise, which is different depending on what your business model is. You've got finance people who need to interact with all of this, and you've got human resources people who need to interact with all of these. So there are finance systems and finance apps and HR systems and HR apps, and all of those need to be exchanging data with each other, communicating with each other through an integration layer on an ongoing basis. So now what we've done is we've taken this concept of the organization being a chain of relationships, and we've shown how all of the apps and systems in your enterprise need to be able to be connected with each other in a way that enables the external customer and internal customers to be able to change the way that they interact with each other through these different collections of apps organized into systems. And these changes need to be implemented on an ongoing evolutionary basis more easily. And what the Agile Cloud Manager does is it enables your organization to understand and deploy upgrades to wide ranges of systems across your entire enterprise platform so that it becomes easier to support the process of change to improve the customer experience and to improve the profitability of your entire enterprise. You can download the Agile Cloud Manager for free at agilecloudinstitute.io, and you can hire the Agile Cloud Institute to perform technical support, training, and consulting. You can get more information and you can contact us through agilecloudinstitute.io.